Well, this soup bowl is made by Minton Boyle. Date range on it's 1836 through to around 1840, and it's in design pattern 6848, which is quite well documented. It was probably made in reasonable quantities during the period because a few pieces have been listed on line when we do pattern references on this. A very fine soup bowl, not a soup plate, slightly smaller, 9 1/8 inch rim diameter. Let's just have a look at this for you. Absolutely gorgeous, off blue, really flow blue feel to the whole thing, with this very intricate little printed design border, almost Art Deco in its appearance, and then a irregularly scalloped rim with a burnt umber lineage detailing. Central panel, chinoise decoration, vase, fruits and flowers, and then the border design again with this dark hand applied enamel colour all around in very fine condition. Side elevation, as you can see, quite a bit of little nicks just around here. They're not chips or as such, they're just where the enamel has come away from the underlying porcelain that's been painted over, so quite characteristic of something this age. Remember, this is 1836, 1840, coming up 200 years old. Glaze otherwise in very good condition, little fine line crazing just around the outer rims. There's the BB Newstone impress mark, Minton Boyle in italics down here, and then the pattern reference in the central, classic Minton scroll and floral design with the 6846 design detailed by the decorator. 3 kiln support marks, one here, one here, one here. A little bit of flow blue again over the base of it. Little bit of glaze bubbling here just on the undersurface. Palpable, but not again damage that's occurred. That's a firing issue with it. A fine and rare soup plate really is what we can say about this. Not many come to the market. Quite a rare design, nicely documented and labelled for us in terms of dating this and getting the design pattern reference for our internet listing. It's going on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. Will display absolutely beautifully for collectors of early Minton and Boyle BB Newstone china. Thanks for watching.